Host, hey there achievers, welcome back to Billionaire Minds. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of highly successful people? Today, we're counting down the life-changing habits that will transform your life forever. Fast-paced music with quick cuts of successful people, athletes, and entrepreneurs in action. Success. It's not about luck, it's about mindset. What separates the dreamers from the achievers? Cut to a person waking up early, lacing up shoes for a run. And it starts when the world is still asleep. The grind, the hustle, it's all about what you do when no one's watching. Inspiration, information, motivation. Success isn't handed to you, it's earned by pushing past your limits, learning every day, and staying hungry for more. Cut to a person overcoming an obstacle, like finishing a difficult workout or nailing a presentation. Failure? That's just part of the journey. Each setback is a setup for a comeback. Dream big, work hard, stay focused. Your mindset is your most powerful tool. Build it, shape it, unleash it. Person standing on top of a mountain, overlooking a vast landscape, arms raised in victory. Success isn't a destination, it's a mindset. Subscribe for more. Your journey to success starts here. End with a call to action. Like, comment, and share if you're ready to conquer your dreams.